In this video, I'll guide you through how to add custom fonts to your Squarespace website. Customizing your website's typography can greatly enhance its aesthetic appeal and help you align with your brand identity. Whether you're looking to add a unique flair to your headings or personalize your paragraphs, integrating custom fonts can make all the difference. Let's get started on transforming your Squarespace site with the fonts of your choice. First, you'll need to open Site Styles. To do this, click on the paintbrush icon located in the top right corner of your Squarespace interface. Alternatively, you can navigate through the main menu by going to Website and then selecting Site Styles. This section is where you'll find all your design settings, allowing you to tweak everything from colors to spacing. But today we'll focus on fonts. Now that you're in Site Styles, it's time to select the text type you want to customize. Click on the Fonts option, which will bring you to a panel displaying all the different text types used on your site. Here, you can choose whether you want to change your headings, paragraphs, or buttons. Each text type serves a different purpose on your site, so think about where you want your new font to appear. Headings are great for making a bold statement, while paragraphs benefit from a more readable style. Once you've decided on the text type, you're ready to upload your custom font. Click on the drop-down menu where the current font name is displayed. You'll notice an upload icon which looks like an upward arrow. Click this icon to open a window where you can either select or drag your custom font files. Squarespace supports several file types, but .wf to .woff or .ttf are recommended due to their compatibility and performance efficiency. If you haven't yet converted your fonts to these formats, there are many online tools available that can help you with this step. After selecting your font file, Squarespace will automatically upload it and apply it to the text type you selected. You'll see a preview of how your new font looks in real time, allowing you to make adjustments before finalizing your choice. This instant feedback is incredibly useful as it gives you a clear idea of how your content will appear to visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom font to your Squarespace website. Remember, you can repeat these steps for each text type you wish to customize, creating a cohesive yet personalized look across your entire site. Custom fonts not only enhance the visual appeal of your site, but also contribute to a more engaging user experience. So take some time to explore different fonts and see how they can best represent your brand's personality. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in personalizing your Squarespace website. Custom fonts are a powerful way to make your site stand out, and now you have the skills to implement them with ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.